Nice.
Nice one.
That's the biggest, huh?
No, no. I think Andy's big one was bigger.
Looks to me like a 40-pounder. That's a beauty.
How come his little stomach thing went? I didn't know that happened to them. No, never mind. It's his tongue. On the cod jig.
Yeah, nice.
So skate show up. Should have more of this.
How hard was it to get to the bottom?
Not hard. Hard to get through there.